the South African Cheetah fighter jet. Imagine the skies over Africa in the 1980s. South Africa faced growing regional threats, but was cut off from buying modern weapons because of strict international sanctions. With no new aircraft coming in, the South African Air Force had to find another way to stay ahead. Their answer was the Cheetah fighter jet, a remarkable transformation of an older aircraft into something completely new. The Cheetah began life as the Dassault Mirage 3, a French-designed jet that South Africa had bought years earlier. By the mid-1980s, the Mirage was becoming outdated. But instead of retiring it, South African engineers, working closely with Israeli aerospace industries, launched one of the most ambitious upgrade programs in the world. On the outside, the Cheetah looked similar to the Mirage, but under the skin, it was almost a different aircraft. Engineers gave it new radar systems, advanced avionics, modern weapons controls, and improved electronic warfare equipment. To make it even more maneuverable, they added canards, small fins in front of the wings, which gave the Cheetah sharper agility in a dogfight. 3 main versions were built. The Cheetah C was the top single-seat combat model, fitted with cutting-edge radar and able to fire modern air-to-air missiles. The Cheetah D was a 2-seater trainer that could also fight if needed, and the earlier Cheetah E helped pave the way for the later models, though it was eventually retired. For nearly 2 decades, the Cheetah served as the backbone of the South African Air Force. It gave South Africa a modern fighter that could stand up to threats in the region, even against countries flying advanced Soviet aircraft. Pilots respected it as a rugged, fast, and highly capable jet, one that kept South Africa competitive despite being isolated from the world's arms markets. By the late 2000s, the Cheetah was finally retired, replaced by the Swedish Saab Gripen. But its story didn't end there. Some of the jets found a new home in Ecuador, where they continued to serve for many years after leaving South African skies. The Atlas Cheetah remains a symbol of South African ingenuity, proof that with clever engineering, an aging Mirage could be reborn into a fighter that punched far above its weight.